Hello guys, here I am again outside. We went outside again, and as I showed you in the first video earlier, I think that was like 7:30. It was uh, nothing much in the ground, on the ground, but now look at this. This is really thick already. That's on the ground. Look at the trees. It's full of snow now. Loaded of snow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's so pretty. Right there. Look at this. Look at how beautiful is that snow. That lay on the tree branches. Right there. It's, look at this. As I said, beautiful. Right here. That's how that looks like. There. Right there. It's beautiful. That's how it look like right now, and as of now is 9 o'clock. My first video that was like 7:30. That's how fast it snow drops. Oh wow, my face and hair. Look at my spoiled baby. Here he is. He likes the snow. He likes to be outside on snow. The snow. Right there. So it's very pretty. Look at that. So right, I thought to just show you what's happening here in my area, my place. Snow is getting heavier, and this is what it looks like right now. Hey baby, are you ready to go inside? Okay. Oh, he's ready to go inside. All right, babe. Shake, babe. Shake, baby. Baby. Shake. Go ahead and shake. Shake, baby. Babe, shake. Shake now. Babe, take off the snow in your body. Shake. Shake, baby. Now shake. Babe. He's ignoring me. Good boy. Now he's clean. He's clean. So I guess that's all for now, everyone. Maybe later on, maybe an hour or two, I will come out again and show you what that looks like. All right, have a good one. Be safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.